What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing for Modern Performance. I purchased an order. It's a AGP blow-off valve. Let's see what's in the box. What the fuck? Let it focus. Alright. There you go. We got the AGP cold side hard pipe. The pretty neat thing about this kit is that it comes with a temp sensor. And it comes with the fucking run meth or something like that, I believe. And if you don't want to run meth, I mean, it comes with a little nipple. I don't know if you can screw that, but yeah. It already comes with the Turboxs. It's not the HKS. Pretty cool. And we got the cup holders. What the fuck? It's so compact in there. And we got that. What we got for the blow off. Oh, and you can order this is separate. You have to pay this separate. It's a block off plate. And I'm believing this is a blow off valve, Turboxs. Yes, it is. Holy shit. Let me see. See, there you go from AGP Turbo. And we got 3 decals for Modern Performance. Always cool to get stickers. We're in the purchase. Yeah, basically it. This kit, you can get it from Modern Performance. I paid $344. Is it overpriced? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. That'll be it.